It was really fun and relaxing. It also made our friend who was celebrating her birthday happy and special when we gave this as one of our surprises to her that day. After this session, we couldn't stop talking about our wonderful experience at Yishun Terrarium. Loved how interactive the session was. The host was also funny and very engaging, made us want to try other experiences from the same studio again. Smile. It's totally amazing to DIY our own terrarium. Thanks Jason and Joy for the thoughtful guide. Great ambience, and I can see a lot of different terrariums displayed on the shelves. First time experience for my friends and I, we definitely enjoyed it. Appreciate the step-by-step guidance and allowing our creativity to flow. Ended the session with happiness, recommended for family and friends bonding. Very worth it. We did the default closed terrarium, but there were others too if you'd like to upgrade the size/type of your glass bowl. Cheapest upgrade starts from $16. Me and my partner loved it, although IWLD have preferred if they let us choose where to sit. There were other tables available, instead of making us sit at one long table in front of other strangers. Wanted a bit more privacy since I was doing my partner but could nonetheless smile. My partner suggested a terrarium workshop, so I scrambled to find one affordable since I'm on a budget, but this was super affordable. A very relaxing experience. The instructions were pretty clear and the steps were relatively easy. Everything was provided. More couples were spotted in the workshop, but I think this suit friends as well. Environment is nice and is indoor with aircon. Fun and engaging experience which is suitable for family or children. Great weekend activity and experience learning how to create a terrarium. Jason and Joy are really awesome and helpful with sharing tips and tricks about how to decorate it. Brought my mom over and had a super fun time there. Unfortunately can't go due to trainer not feeling well. But will want to go again if there's a chance to do so. Our instructor was very passionate in what he's doing. The experience overall was amazing. It was fun and we got to take home the terrarium we made. Instructor was very knowledgeable and friendly. I went with my grandma and aunties and we had an enjoyable time there. Very fun and engaging experience, very worth the money as they provide you with many items. Smile will try out other experiences. Very fun experience, awesome guidance by Jason complete with PowerPoint slides and many detailed steps and figurines.